this is Raja Luri. Today I'm going to demonstrate what are the required tools for running the code in the Kotlin. First of all, we need the JDK1. So JDK is the Java development kit. So we can download JDK from the Oracle site, so which I'm presenting. We should install the latest version at least from above Java SE8. So we have latest version like 8, 11 and 16. So you should install more the version more than 8. And also the IDE called IntelliJ IDEA. So this is the IDE developed from the JetBrains organization. So these are the IDE we required to write the code and install it. So I have given the links below in the description about the process of downloading JDK and this IntelliJ IDEA. Now let me show how to create a sample project in the IntelliJ IDEA. So let's go to the file, click on new, click on project. So here we should select Kotlin and JVM. Select this checkbox, Kotlin and JVM, then click on next. Then give the project name. For example, I am giving the Hello Kotlin. Then click on finish. Okay, so now the Hello Kotlin project is created. So now you can access the Kotlin REPL, that is read eval print loop. So let me show how can we access. Go to tools, select Kotlin and choose Kotlin REPL. So now it is open this Kotlin REPL window. This Kotlin REPL evaluates the code you are typing in right after hitting the command enter or control enter in the Windows platform. So let me write some sample code here. For example, I'm writing a function. Just I'm printing it. Okay. So now I have written a function. Just I'm hitting the command enter. Okay. So now to call this method, just we need to call this hello Kotlin. Then click on command enter. Now, so now it is printed the println statement, that is hello Kotlin. So using this Kotlin REPL tool, you can easily write the code and execute it. So to learning the simple commands and the simple syntax in the Kotlin, just you can use this Kotlin REPL. So this is a function. So you can learn more about what is this fun keyword and what is the methods, signature and all those things. I will tell you later. So this is a basic one. I'm showing how to use the Kotlin REPL. Thank you everyone. I will explain more about Kotlin structure and the keywords and all those things in the next videos. Thank you.